So in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this face cast. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me to build prosthetics on it, or to try to build prosthetics. It was pretty easy to do, it's just very time consuming because the plaster has to dry in between. But yeah, this project was very inexpensive and I hope you like it. First I'm gonna apply some Vaseline all over my face. Now I'm gonna cut up some plaster bandages, soak them in water, wring them out and apply them on my face. Make sure to cover your whole face except your nostrils. Dry and try to get it off your face by doing weird faces. When it's off your face, build up the edges and close the nostrils. Next you have to mix up your plaster, fill it in a little bit in the mold and coat the inside using your fingers. Then put the rest inside and let it dry several hours. Now peel off the bandages and sand off the surface. Seal the plaster using glue. I'm using lacquer, but in a future video you'll see that the lacquer peels off. And then you're done!